In this video, we're going to talk about a $2,000 federal tax credit that's available to a lot of different people developing and building homes. Specifically, my audience, you're building an accessory dwelling unit in California, you're probably eligible. And we'll talk a bit about who else is eligible, how exactly you get this tax credit. So there's a $2,000 federal tax credit called the Section 45L credit when I'm researching it. And what it does is if you build or renovate significantly a new structure, residential, up to a certain energy standard, and you get it certified, you're eligible for a $2,000 credit per unit that you get certified. Now, there's a lot of details that we're going to go through about what a person needs to do to qualify, and I'm not a licensed CPA, I'm not an attorney, so this isn't legal advice or tax advice about your specific situation. You can use this as general information and on a YouTube channel, but this is an entertainment channel, and then if you want specific information about a specific situation, you go find a licensed tax person or a legal counsel from an attorney, right? So this guy in our free Facebook group for homeowners who are building accessory dwelling units, link in the description below, he joins and he tells us something that's almost too good to be true. His builder tells him about a tax credit called 45L, and he's going to get a $2,000 tax credit as long as his building is up to certain energy standards. And California's energy requirements are so high, so lofty, that his building already has that energy standard. So he pays $250 to get his ADU certified by a HERS certification that says, yep, it's up to standard, it qualifies for Section 45L, and now he gets to apply for this $2,000 tax credit. Pretty awesome. He's netting $1,750. Now, this tax credit's available to qualified contractors, which is a confusing phrase because you're like, I'm not a contractor. The trick here is that a qualified contractor can include a developer for an apartment building, a homeowner during a significant renovation. It just depends on the specific situation. So again, go talk to a licensed professional about whether you can get this or not. But in this case, as the homeowner during the construction of an ADU, this person was eligible to get the tax credit and not the builder, not the general contractor. The tax credit may be available for properties you've built in the past 3 years thanks to the Tax Increase Prevention Act of 2014. So you might have built this in 2019 and it's still eligible for a tax credit this year if you haven't gotten it before. The tax credit seems to only be available if you rent, lease, or sell the property. So if I, for example, built an ADU in my backyard to house my parents, I would want to make sure I have a real rental agreement with them, an official rental agreement that makes me eligible to apply for the credit, right? Check this out if you want more resources about accessory dwelling units. Check this out if you're more interested in broad real estate topics. If you would benefit from getting other updates like this one, you should consider subscribing to the channel because I'm always publishing news about resources, tax credits, things that'll save you money.